What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Threshold, which has pumped up over 37% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at just under 0.037 cents. So we're going to be looking at what is next for the crypto. Is it going to potentially hit 4-5 cents over the coming days? How high can it go? So we're going to be looking at its overall prediction for 2024. Is this a crypto to be investing into? Is it too late? Should you sell it if you're on a profit, or should you hold on to it before it pumps up even higher, potentially hitting 10 cents over the coming months? And also going through both buyers and sellers point of view. And as you guys know, the crypto is on the green side today, with Bitcoin heading over $47,000 after a good 2 years, guys. So yes, it is a green day for the crypto market. However, we have to be vigilant of crypto price corrections and so on, which may happen over the coming days, which I will also cover later on in the video. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we can see here the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Threshold, which is here in purple at 0.027 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in red at over 0.036 cents, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction. Reason for that is the minimal drop that's taken place over the last couple of hours here. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to take a little bit of a step back, which I also agree with. So essentially over the next 12 to 14 hours, guys, by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, I'm expecting Threshold to have taken a little bit of a step back, dropping down to 0.0032 to 0.0033 cents. Somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting the crypto to be heading towards. Reason for that is it's pumped up quite a bit. Again, the crypto market is up, so again, not just Threshold but the crypto market in general is likely to go through a little price correction over the coming 12 to 24 hours, going through a little bit of a dip before it pumps back up in value towards mid to end of the week. But yeah, at the moment I'm expecting minimal drops in value from Threshold over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, over the next couple of days, we're looking a little bit skeptical here. We've got the blue line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So according to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Threshold over the next 7 to 8 days, so towards the end of this week, early next week. However, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Threshold over the next week or so, potentially heading close to the 5 cents target is where I'm expecting Threshold to be heading towards by the end of this week. However, do expect it to be quite volatile. It doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently hitting green candles. Of course not. It is likely to hit red candles in between as well, take little dips here and there in between, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. So getting closer to the 5 cents target is what I'm expecting from Threshold over the next week or so. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here, guys? We do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, it is looking quite steep, guys, meaning this is not realistic. Only reason it's looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last 24 hours. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so late February, early March 2024. However, that's not what I'm expecting. I'm not expecting a major pump or a major bull run or anything like that, even though yes, I'm expecting the crypto market to be moving towards the positive direction. It is going to be a slow and steady increase in value. It's not going to be a major pump out of nowhere, because that is not sustainable. So essentially late February, early March 2024, I am expecting the crypto to be heading up to about 7 to 8 cents in target. Somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting it to be fluctuating around. However, if there are any major changes to that, for example, if I'm expecting a major crash or a major bull run or anything that can have a major impact on the value of threshold, either in a positive or negative direction, I will let you guys know as soon as possible on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we still got quite a while to go to hit the resistance target. However, due to the increase in value from threshold over the last 3 months, as you guys can see, going from about 0.015 cents to now 0.036 cents is quite a major increase. So I'm expecting it to carry on in that direction as well. So approximately in the last month of Q1, so around mid-March, we should be able to break out from the resistance target heading into the green zone is what I'm expecting. And as you guys can see, last time we did hit the resistance target back in January last year, about a year ago. It did resist and drop back down. However, this time it will resist, and then a couple of days later it should break out and potentially head into the green zone by mid to late March is what I'm expecting, and potentially heading over the 10 cents target by mid-year is when I'm expecting the crypto to be hitting that. But again, if you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 600% in the last 24 hours, making it $403 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading, as it is getting a lot of attention, and it is indeed one of the top, or the top gainer in the last 24 hours, meaning there's a lot more people trading the crypto, a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general just a lot more traders. So it's getting a lot of attention, which is also helping the value of threshold pump up as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Before I end the video, I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace. What is